You know, speaking of weather, we have WIAT 42 Storm Track meteorologist Ted McInerney joining us now from the Storm Track Weather Center. Ted, nothing like that happening in our area, thankfully.
No, we've had some hot weather. You were outside
man.
today.
Yeah, that mud bugs event. Whew.
It got hot out there. The good thing is it wasn't too humid. It was just your average heat. We'll be getting into that humidity, as you know, here in the next couple of months. It's just a taste of it right now. What we're tracking for you right now, a warm night ahead. We do have a nice Mother's Day on tap, and rain isn't too far away. Hour by hour, the temperatures will cool down just a bit. There is some clouds that are building in from the east, or actually from the west. 74 by 10 o'clock, so overall, a warm evening ahead. Out in Tuscaloosa with our Storm Track camera, 84 degrees at the University of Alabama. You see the clouds, though, starting to kind of thin up there on the sky. And out in East Alabama, we're looking at 85 degrees, a south-southeast wind at 5 miles an hour. So overall, it is still warm out there for your evening grilling. Well, it's 90 right now in Montgomery, 86 again here in Birmingham, 87 in PCB, as well as 82 in Mobile. Overall, it's pretty warm, but we got up to 88 degrees today. That's pretty warm for Anniston, Tuscaloosa, and Birmingham. So temperatures across the area from 84 in Gadsden, 85 Anniston, 80 in Coleman, 84 Hamilton, looking pretty good. I want to show you this. This is a unique view that we don't show all the time. This is the visible satellite picture. This is actually a satellite up in space taking a picture, and you can see these tornadoes, superstorms. These thunderstorms are really blossoming. This is a tool we look at to forecast severe weather, but you could also see the cloud cover still kind of moving into the Birmingham area. That's why Tuscaloosa was showing some clouds. All right, outside we do have nothing on Storm Track radar. There's the storms that are all popped up. I see about 6 tornado warnings at this hour. You see the little red polygons. These are supercells. It's an active day in northern Texas, southern Oklahoma, and now moving into Arkansas. I want to show you this, too. A tornado is also on the ground out in Colorado, not far away from the Rockies, where it is heavy with heavy snow. Talk about some craziness. And then we'll go over to the Atlantic coast, where we have Tropical Storm Anna spinning off the coast of Cape Fear, as well as Myrtle Beach. And we expect a landfall in North Myrtle Beach later tonight. So here's our tropics tracker. Anna has winds of 60 miles an hour. It's now starting to finally move at the northwest at 3 miles an hour. Not a very strong storm at this hour, but it will be tracking into North Carolina here in the evening hours into early tomorrow. Tomorrow about 1 o'clock, it will be drenching the area of the Carolinas. So temperatures will cool down just a bit, down to about 78 degrees. By tomorrow morning. Mother's Day. Well, right at noon, if you're having brunch or taking mom out for a stroll, yeah, that's a great idea, isn't it? 85 degrees, or go on a picnic. That's a good one right there. Tips from Ted. 88 degrees at 4 o'clock, 90 in Tuscaloosa. As we go into Monday morning, still pretty warm, and it heats up again during the afternoon into the mid to upper 80s. On the Storm Track Futurecast, we are seeing the rain way off to the west, but tomorrow at 7 a.m. looking good, heading into church, brunch, absolutely excellent. Here comes that cold front that will get rid of the heat. It'll also bring in a chance for rain late Monday night into Tuesday. So your Storm Track forecast for tonight, we're looking at a temperature of 65 degrees, staying warm, partly cloudy. Tomorrow, 88 degrees, another hot day right in time for mom. Speaking of Mother's Day, hopefully you got those flowers. They're looking good. 68 at 8 by noon, 84 degrees, 88 by 5 o'clock. Let's head on out to our Storm Track 7-day forecast as we look at temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, and we'll have rain Monday night into Tuesday, 80 on Wednesday, and more rain chances building in for next week. Lee?
All right. Thanks so much, Ted.